Hello, I'm in a 2020 Infiniti QX80 and today I'm going to show you how to switch between miles and kilometers as well as Fahrenheit and Celsius. So first you want to make sure your vehicle's on, which currently it is, and then you'll go to your interface here and go to your home button, and then we'll use this arrow to scroll till we get to settings, and then scroll until we get to others, and then we'll hit units. And then here you can switch between kilometers or miles, Celsius, and Fahrenheit. And then I'll show you to it. It auto updates everything. So here now it's kilometers, and then push miles again, and it updated already. And same thing it will do with the Fahrenheit and Celsius for your outdoor temperature reading. But and you want to go back, you can just hit the back button or just turn the vehicle off and back on. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.